To truly understand the power of prompt engineering, let's look at a simple case study that compares weak prompts versus strong prompts. This comparison reveals how small changes in wording can completely transform the quality of an AI's response. Let's start with a weak prompt. Write about climate change. It's short and vague. When the AI receives this, it doesn't know who the audience is, what style to use, or how deep to go. The result might be a generic paragraph filled with broad statements like, "Climate change is a global issue that affects the environment." Technically correct, but uninspiring and not useful for most real-world purposes. Now let's strengthen that prompt. Instead of saying, "Write about climate change," say, "Write a 150-word LinkedIn post explaining the impact of climate change on small businesses." Use a professional but conversational tone. Immediately, the AI understands the audience, the purpose, and the format. The output becomes focused, relevant, and human-like. This is the difference between a machine response and an engaging piece of content. Weak prompts fail because they lack direction. They don't include context, structure, or constraints. Strong prompts succeed because they set expectations. They include specifics like word count, tone, style, audience, and format. The more you guide the AI, the more it aligns with your goals. Here's another example. A weak prompt might say, "Write a story about friendship." The AI could produce something bland and predictable. But if you write a 300-word story about two astronauts who become friends while stranded on Mars, use vivid imagery and emotional dialogue, the result becomes more creative, cinematic, and emotionally engaging. Same topic, completely different quality, all because of prompt strength. A third example comes from business communication. Suppose you ask, "Write an email to customers." That's too vague. Instead, try, "Write a friendly email to customers announcing a 20% discount on eco-friendly products." Keep it under 100 words and include a clear call to action. That version provides direction, style, and purpose, and the AI responds with marketing copy that could be used immediately. Strong prompts also help the AI reason better. For example, instead of saying, "Explain how AI helps healthcare," you can say, "Explain 3 specific ways AI improves patient care in hospitals," using simple language for a general audience. Adding structure, like asking for a numbered list or a specific tone, encourages clarity and organization in the response. When comparing weak and strong prompts, the pattern is clear. Strong prompts contain context, constraints, and creativity. They are intentional. Weak prompts are open-ended and leave too much for the AI to guess. Here's a quick formula to strengthen any prompt. 1. Define the role. Who should the AI act as? 2. Define the goal. What do you want the output to achieve? 3. Add structure. What format or length do you want? 4. Add tone. How should it sound? And 5. Include examples if needed. By applying this formula, you can transform nearly any vague instruction into a high-quality, targeted output. The lesson is simple. A strong prompt doesn't mean a long one. It means a clear one. Every word should serve a purpose. With a few extra seconds of thought, you can guide the AI from average to exceptional. Weak prompts leave creativity to chance. Strong prompts turn creativity into precision. This case study shows that the secret to mastering AI isn't having more tools. It's knowing how to ask better questions.